With many Bay Area health facilities still in the midst of weathering the current flu season, on a global level, health leaders are already pivoting. New this morning, the World Health Organization is finalizing plans for the next flu vaccine.
Today in the Bay's Ginger Conejero Saab live for us in San Francisco. And Ginger, this all comes in the wake of really one of the most severe flu seasons that we've seen in quite some time.
That is correct, Marcus and Laura. Quite a rough flu season that people worldwide are experiencing. Now, doctors and experts do this every year. They take a look at the strains, past strains, and make a decision on the new flu vaccine. But this year, there is an extra layer, an added layer of interest and concern. Here's Dr. Peter Chin Hong of UCSF's Infectious Disease Department explaining on this unusual parallel that doctors are focusing on.
The reason why we're paying a lot of attention to the flu season this year is because we have a parallel outbreak in bird flu, as people might know. And the more bird flu and the more human flu you have next to each other, the more chances that bird flu can exchange genes with human flu and figure out a way to get inside our bodies more efficiently, because right now it's not doing a great job of that. And that's why we haven't seen more human cases.
The WHO is meeting today. They currently wrapped up discussions and recommendations this morning about the chosen strains for the next flu vaccine. As mentioned, this is typical, but what is not typical is the surge in the flu worldwide this year. Now, the United States is taking part in that WHO meeting. President Donald Trump saying last month the global health agency mishandled the COVID-19 pandemic and other international health crises. Trump, I should say, added the U.S. will leave the World Health Organization, but it also comes as the FDA canceled its meeting to select flu strains for next season's shots. A spokesperson for the Department of Health and Human Services, which oversees the FDA, did not immediately respond to an NBC request for comment. Now we're talking about how bad this flu season is. Dr. Peter Chin Hong says it is not too late to get your flu shot. It can still be around for the next couple of months. He is expected to take part in a press conference delving deeper into this later today. We'll continue to monitor that, and you can find the latest on NBCBayArea.com. In San Francisco, Ginger Conejero Saab, Today in the Bay.